We gather today to offer our undying service and a
Brad,
real team
Uncle Brad.
of Alpha Kaparo. We ask God to give us wisdom and strength in our journey to service and to clear our heart all of our differences and let this service be the start of a united and strong Alpha Kaparo. We pray to give us strength and wisdom as our leader so that they will lead according to the teaching of Alpha Kaparo. Sa basa natin.
Long live Alpha Kaparo!
Yung may pagsunod tao.
Long live! Sino tao?
Muna isa na kami tulong.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday pa. Birthday to you. Happy birthday pa. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Blow the candle. My birthday celebrant. Kami boy Anderson birthday boy. Oh, nainay ta sa atong pagkuan. Budol-budol. Budol ta mga friends.
Ayaw naman pinatay. Ate ko.